Hold on.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find. I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes.
It'd be sweet if I had an electric ratchet.
Just way too much, but it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun.
Oh, he broke my hydro ramp.
I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I die for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I'd live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignored them still. All these questions, they're folded like who would you live for? Who would you die for? And would you ever kill? I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I've been thinking too much. Taking my time on my ride. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much.
Go slow, this is a big drop.
I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking
Yep.
too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help.
Hold on.
Thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much.
Turn it off.
I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time. Taking my time on my ride.
So you're gonna control the set.
Taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me.
Well, driver.
He's gonna get that mirror. Ooh. Got lucky. Oh yeah. take all these videos and you like start making money off YouTube, you better hook it up. He's like, oh yeah, I'll send you a fucking GoPro kit.
There's some pretty good commentary throughout the whole video, so.
Just a bunch of shit talking.
It's just gonna be shit.
Ron, sorry shit, your shit's broke, dude. You might as well
I think
turn
you
around.
better go back to camp.
I'm just kidding.
I have a hard switch. I can rip this whole thing out.
Down.
was talking
You're gonna go
shit,
do it
don't
down
worry.
there?
Huh?
You're gonna go do it down there? Okay.
How am I looking on here?
As you are.
Looks like you're going downhill.
It's gonna feel like shit for a minute, but you're coming down this rock now, so you're good.
What? If you have a snake hit, you're grounded for 3 weeks. It's a tube.
Isn't it just a belt from a tire?
You're throwing it at me. You're still grounded for 2 days now.
Man, it'd be sweet if I had an electric ratchet. I haven't used manual tools in forever.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's
Hard passenger. You might need to back up, because you're gonna hit a tree.
got adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning
My
back.
hydro ram.
I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind.